Dear students, welcome to Divya's Math Solutions. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 6 Application of Derivatives Exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Find the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius when r equal to 3 cm and r equal to 4 cm. We need to find the rate of change of area. Rate of change of area with respect to radius. So what is the area? Area is pi r square for the circle, right? So we need to find rate of change of area means area dA by radius with respect to radius means dr. This one only we are going to find out. Rate of change of area with respect to radius means dA by dr we are going to find out. The first one we can take the radius of the circle as r only, right? So what is the area of the circle? Area is pi r square, correct? So we can find the value of this dA by dr. dA by dr, that means d by dr of what is the value of a? A is pi r square, correct? So this is equal to pi is a constant, then derivative of r square. Derivative of r square is 2r, right? So this should be equal to what I can write? 2 pi r is the rate of change of area with respect to radius, correct? Now we are going to find the value when r equal to 3, when r equal to 4, we are going to find the rate of change. So first one, A. First one we need to find when r equal to 3 cm, rate of change of area. That means this dA by dr equal to, when r equal to 3 cm, the rate of change of area dA by dr equal to, dA by dr is what? 2 pi r. That means 2 into pi into r is 3. That means 6 pi. 6 pi. The unit. What is the unit of area? Centimeter square. Right. Centimeter square divided by what is the radius unit? Centimeter. Centimeter square by centimeter we can write. That means area unit is centimeter square. Radius unit is centimeter. So centimeter square by centimeter or 6 by centimeter also we can write. Second one, when radius is 4 centimeter. Radius is 4 centimeter, we are going to find the rate of change of area dA by dr equal to, dA by dr is what? 2 pi r. That means 2 into pi into r is 4. So 4 into 2 is 8 pi. Unit is centimeter square by centimeter is the rate of change of area. Area with respect to radius. Question number 2. The volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 cm cube per second. That means volume is increasing at the rate is centimeter cube per second. That means this is second means time only, right? That means what is given? Volume is increasing at the rate. That means dV by dt is given, right? So here we can write given dV by dt. Volume is increasing at the rate is 8 centimeter cube per second. This is given. Next, how fast is the surface area is increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter? What we need to find out? How fast is the surface area is increasing? That means surface area we can take it as S. So increasing at the rate means what we need to take? How fast means time only, right? That means ds by dt only we are going to find out. So this is a cube only. So we can take the length of the edge of a cube, we can take it as x centimeter. First we can take length of the cube or side of the cube, we can take it as x centimeter we can take. This is the length of the cube. Then what is the volume? Volume is V. Then rate of change is given, that is dV by dt is 8 centimeter cube is given, right? So now we know the volume of a cube. Volume of a cube means what? Side cube. Side cube means here we are taking the side as x means x cube is the volume. So instead of V, what we can substitute? X cube we can write. That means the rate of change of volume with respect to time is d by dt of, instead of V, what I can substitute? Volume equation is volume of a cube is side cube. That means here it is x cube, right? So this x cube I am writing. That is equal to how much? That is equal to A. That is given. Volume, the rate of change of volume with respect to time is given, right? So we can write a derivative. Derivative of x cube is 3x square into dx by dt. dx by dt equal to how much we will get? 8 we will get. So from here we can write dx by dt equal to 8 by 3x square. This is the value of dx by dt, right? Next, what we need to find out? We need to find the surface area of the cube, right? So what is the surface area of the cube? Surface area is 6 into side square, right? So here surface area of the cube means 6 into side square. That means here what is the surface area? 6x square is the surface area of the cube, right? So here also what we need to find? ds by dt we need to find out. That means ds by dt equal to d by dt of what is the value of s? S is 6x square, correct? That means 6 is a constant. Derivative of x square is 2x into derivative of x is dx by dt. We can substitute the value over here. So 6 into 2 is 12x into dx by dt is 8 by 3x square, right? 8 by 3x square. Here 1x and x will cancel. This one 4 3s are 12. That means how much we will get? 32 by x we will get, correct? 32 by x. Next, it is given how fast is the surface area is increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter. Length of the cube, that means length of the edge of the cube we are taking it as x, that is x is given as 12 centimeter. Given x is 12 centimeter, that time we need to find the rate of change surface area, right? That means when x is 12 centimeter, ds by dt equal to 32 by, instead of x what I can substitute? 12 I can substitute. 4 3s are 12, 8 4s are 32, 2. 4 3s are 12, 8 4s, that means 8 by 3 we will get. So this is equal to 8 by 3 unit. Surface area is centimeter square per second. Correct. ds by dt. Surface area, area unit is centimeter square, time unit is second. That means 8 by 3 centimeter per second is the surface area increasing at the rate 8 by 3 centimeter square per second we can write. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. So what is this one is given? Radius of the circle is increasing uniformly at the rate. That means dr. Radius is dr by, this is second means what? Time. That means given is dr by dt. Correct. Radius of the circle is increasing uniformly at the rate. That means dr by dt is 3 centimeter per second is given. Find the rate at which area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. What we need to find out? We need to find the rate at which radius of the circle is increasing. Correct. So we can take radius is which one? R only, right? So we can write it as sorry, not radius, we need to find the area. That means dA by dt we are going to find out. The value of dA by dt we need to find out. That means which one? The rate at which area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter we are going to find out. So what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r square, right? Area of circle is pi r square, correct? So what we are going to find out? We are going to find the value of dA by dt only, right? That means rate of change of area with respect to time is dA by dt. dA by dt means rate of change of area with respect to time equal to d by dt of what is the equation for area? Pi r square, correct? So here pi is a constant. Then derivative of r square is 2r into dr by dt we can write, correct? So what is the value of dr by dt? dr by dt is 3. We can substitute over here. That means pi into 2r into dr by dt is 3. So how much we will get? 3 into 2 is 6 pi r we will get, correct? So then what we need to find out? We need to find the rate at which area of the circle is increasing when r equal to 10 centimeter. That means instead of r what we are going to substitute? 10 centimeter, right? When r equal to 10 centimeter, the rate of change of area equal to, that means dA by dt equal to 6 into pi into r is 10. That means 60 pi unit. Area unit is centimeter square per second. Answer. That means this is the area of a circle is increasing at the rate of 65 centimeter square per second. Question number 4. The edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate 3 centimeter per second. So what is this one? Edge of the cube is increasing. Correct. So edge of the cube is increasing means what we can substitute over here? We can take the edge of the cube as x centimeter. That means side of the cube we can take it as x first. Let x be the side of the cube. That means edge of the variable cube is increasing at the rate 3 centimeter per second. That means given what is given? Dx by dt is 3 centimeter per second is given. How fast is the volume of the cube? That means dv. Volume of the cube is increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter. That means what we need to find out? dv by dt we are going to find out. Correct. Okay. So we can write the rate of change of volume with respect to time. Rate of change of volume with respect to time is dv by dt equal to d by dt of what is the volume of a cube? Side cube. Here side is x means what? X cube only, right? X cube, that is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square into dx by dt. That means 3x square into dx by dt is what? 3. So we can substitute over here means what we will get? 9x square we will get. Correct. 9x square. This is the dv by dt. What we need to find out? When the edge is 10 centimeter long, we need to find the volume of the cube increasing. When edge, that means x equal to 10 centimeter, the rate of how fast is the volume of the cube is increasing. That means dv by, when x equal to 10 centimeter, dv by dt equal to 9 into, instead of x what I can write? 10. 10 square is 100. So 9 into 100 is 900. Volume unit is centimeter cube per second. So what we can write? The volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of 900 centimeter cube per second. We can write. Answer. Question number 5. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves moves in circles at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. So when we drop a stone into the pond means how the waves are moving in a circular pattern only, right? So what is given this one? This is 5 centimeter per second is given as what is that one? Radius, right? The waves move in the circular shape, that is 5 centimeter per second is given. So we can take it as given rate of change of radius, right? That is 5 centimeter per second. The waves moves in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, when r equal to 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? That means area, rate of change of area we need to find out. That means which one? dA by dt only we are going to find out. Correct. So what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square, right? So we are going to find the rate of change of area with respect to time. That means dA by dt only we are going to find out. Correct. dA by dt equal to d by dt of what is the equation of area? Pi r square. Pi is a constant. Derivative of r square is 2r into dr by dt. We can substitute the value of dr by dt as 5. That means pi into 2r into 5, that means 10 pi r we will get. So what we need to find? Radius is equal to 8 centimeter. The radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter. When r equal to 8 centimeter, we are going to find the value of dA by dt, right? Rate of change of area. dA by dt equal to 10 into pi into r is 8. That means 80 pi unit. Area unit is centimeter square. Time unit is second. Centimeter square per second. That means what we can write? The enclosed area is increasing at the rate of 80 pi centimeter square per second. We can write. Answer. Question number 6. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate 0.7 centimeter per second. So what is this? What is given? dr by dt is given, right? Given dr by dt, radius of the circle is increasing at the rate is 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of the circumference? That means which one? What we need to find out? Circumference. Rate of change of circumference means dc by dt we are going to find out, right? C means circumference. So what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r, right? We know the equation. Circumference of the circle C equal to 2 pi r. So we are going to find the value of dc by dt. That means rate of change of circumference with respect to time. That means d by dt of, instead of c what I can write, 2 pi r I can write here. 2 pi is a constant, then derivative of r is dr by dt, correct? So what is the value of dr by dt? Dr by dt is 0.7. That means 2 pi into 0.7. 7 into 2 is 14. 1 point back means 1.4 pi we will get. So what we can write? The rate of increase of a circumference dc by dt. dc by dt equal to 1.4 pi. Unit is, circumference unit is centimeter per second. We can write answer. Question number 7. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate 5 centimeter per minute. So the length is decreasing at the rate. That means what is the length is given? Dx. That means dx by dt is 5 centimeter per minute, correct? So decreasing means what we need to do? We need to put one minus sign. Minus 5 centimeter per minute. That means the length of the rectangle is decreasing at the rate dx by dt equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute is given, and the width is increasing at the rate 4 centimeter per minute. So what is the width given? Here the width is y, right? That means dx by dt equal to, dy by dt equal to, increasing means plus sign only. That means 4 centimeter per minute. That means here x is the length and y is the width of the rectangle. So what we need to find? When x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change, the perimeter and the area of the rectangle. Both we need to find out, correct? So first we need to find the perimeter. Perimeter means what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth is the perimeter of the rectangle, right? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That means 2 into, here length is x and width is y. 2 into x plus y is the perimeter of the rectangle, correct? So we can find the rate of change of the perimeter, rate of changes of the perimeter. That means dp by dt we are going to find out. That means rate of change of perimeter with respect to time. dp by dt equal to d by dt of, what is perimeter? 2 into x plus y, right? So the 2 is a constant. Derivative of x is dx by dt and derivative of y is dy by dt, correct? We can substitute the value over here. 2 into dx by dt is what? Minus 5 plus dy by dt is 4. Minus 5 plus 4 is 1. So 2 into 1 is, so minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. Perimeter. What is the unit of perimeter? Centimeter per time is minute. Centimeter per minute is the rate of change, right? So what we need to find out? When x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, we need to find the perimeter, right? So when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter. That means here there is no x term and y term. So we are not able to substitute the value of x and y in this equation, right? So what is the rate of change of perimeter? Same only, minus 2 centimeter per minute is the rate of change. Then here when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, what is the rate of, therefore dp by dt. That means the perimeter is decreasing at the rate. Here it is minus only, right? That means minus 2 centimeter per minute. So what we can conclude? The perimeter is decreasing at the rate 2 centimeter per minute we can write. Why we are writing decreasing means because of this minus symbol. Second part. What is second part? We need to find the area of the rectangle when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter. First we can find the area of the rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth, right? So rate of change of area means dA by dt equal to d by dt of area. Area is length into breadth means x into y. This is a product rule only, right? So first function x into derivative of y, that means dy by dt plus y into derivative of first function dx by dt. We can substitute the value over here. X into dy by dt is 4 plus y into dx by dt is minus 5. So what we will get? 4x minus 5y is the rate of change of area when x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter. We need to find the rate of change of area, right? So area, then area dA, rate of change of area dA by dt equal to 4 into 8 minus 5 into 6. 4 into 8 is 32 minus 6 into 5 is 30 is 2. That means 2 unit. Area is centimeter square per minute. So what we can write? The area of rectangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. We can write answer. Question number 8. Question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. So 900 cubic centimeter. So what is that one? Volume only, right? That means dV by dt. Given dV by dt is 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Find the rate at which radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. So what we need to find out? dr by dt we are going to find out, correct? So what is the volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? So from here we can write d by dt of 4 by 3. Instead of v, what I can substitute? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 900 is given, correct? Read the question carefully. Which is remains spherical on inflation means spherical shape inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeter. That means, that is cubic means what? Volume. So dV by dt is 900. So we are substituting the value of volume as 4 by 3 pi r cube. We can do the differentiation. Here what is the constant? 4 by 3 pi is the constant. Then derivative of r cube is 3r square into dr by dt equal to 900. We need to find the value of dr by dt when r equal to 15 centimeter, right? So first we can write dr by dt equal to 900. Here this 3 and 3 will cancel. 900 divided by 4 pi r square, correct? 900 divided by 4 pi r square. Next, when r equal to 15. When r equal to 15 centimeter, we are going to find the rate of change of radius. dr by dt equal to 900 by 4 pi into r square. That means 15 into 15. 15 6 are 90. 60. 15 4s are 60. 4 cancel. So what we will get? 1 by pi. 1 by pi unit. Radius is centimeter per second. So what we can write? Radius of the balloon is increasing at the rate of 1 by pi centimeter per second. We can write answer.